Welcome to WebStylePress. In this video, I will show you how to delete Instagram instants and turn off instants notifications. To do that, open Instagram app, go to your profile, tap menu icon at the top right corner, scroll down and select Content Preferences. It's under What You See. Tap the switch labeled Hide Instants in Inbox. Enable it. This will remove instants feature from your inbox. To turn off notifications for instants, go back to the main settings menu. Select Notifications, scroll down, tap Instants, select Off for both instants and emoji reactions notifications. Once you do this, you will not receive any notifications related to Instagram instants. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.